How to make the link clickable in Canva website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a clickable link into your Canva website or any Canva design. It is going to be the same process. So you are going to head over canva.com, sign in or sign up for an account within the platform, select the website that we are going to use. For example, if you do not see it on the recent design, you're going to click on the search bar at the top. We are going to click on type in website. I'm going to click on enter and we're going to see the different websites that we have. In here, you are going to see your own designs. And at here, this place, you are going to see the different layouts or the different pre-made templates that you can use. I'm going to choose one of the websites that I own. So I'm going to click on it and then we are going to edit it. So I'm going to click on edit design. As you can see, this is a button. And what can we do for a button is going to be linking it. So we are going to start linking the button. I'm going to ungroup this because if you are going to group something, it is not going to be used. So for example, I'm going to select the two of these. So we have the text and the button itself or the shape. How we can make them linked or clickable? We're going to click on the three dots, more, and then we're going to scroll down a little bit and you will see here link. We're going to see two linked chains. I'm going to click on link. You can go ahead and put the link as an internal link, for example, for a page in the document, or you can go ahead and type in the URL. For example, if I head over here my Canva website, not my Canva website, but my Squarespace website, I'm going to click on Square and click on Done, and I click on Preview, we're going to see that the button is underlined. That means that it is clickable. So I'm going to click on it, and it will take me to this website that I have linked. So you can do that for particularly any type of text or elements that has been added into your Canva design or website. You can do that also for images. For example, you're going to select the image, click on link, and then you're going to type in the URL. You're going to click on preview, and you are going to see that even the image is going to be having the hand on it. I'm going to click on it. It will take us to the desired URL. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.